Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, good morning everyone. This is Cooking Appa. Today is Nin Chou Pat, the 8 days of Chinese New Year 2022. This morning, this is about slightly over 7 a.m. in the morning. I'm coming to the Old Klang Road traditional wet market here to do some marketing for some prayers and then for some grocery shopping. Alright, so let's go and have a look. Many people will be coming here today for the Bai Tian Gong prayer grocery shopping, I'm sure. I'm going to scan my Masidatra first. So as you can see from here, right behind the wet market, there is a very huge car park. You per entry 3 ringgit you can park here. Oh, I saw one new thing that you don't really get to see every day here, which is this one, the sugar cane. Yeah, the sugar cane is actually meant for the Bai Tian Gong's prayer, especially for the Hokkien, I think. Yeah. Why they use a sugar cane? Because many years ago, I think back in China, there was a lot of I think it's probably during wartime or what. They actually the people there actually managed to save themselves by hiding and bamboo, sorry, not bamboo, the sugar cane's field. So this is why after that, whenever they do prayers, they actually uses sugar cane for prayers. This is the store where they sell the fresh coconuts. Fresh coconut is always the best if you want to cook curries. Where they grate the coconut. Got a lot of big fish today. At the back here, there's one. I think this is the mutton. Yeah, selling mutton. Appa is not very familiar with the mutton parts. I really want to learn. Any one of you can teach Appa or not? I love eating mutton, to be very frank. 菜多一塊菜。馬手雞有冇？馬手雞前面嗰度台。啊？ Actually, there's no such species called 馬草雞. It's just that they probably feed the chicken with more 馬草, which is Napier leaf, Napier grass. But the meat texture and everything is really nice. I like it a lot. 随便啦，其中一只不用砍，另外一只给我切丝边啦。这个不要砍可以吗？可以，比较美啊。这颈没有这血来没有这么香。可以。刀切来1 kg。20块3毛。23了，又起了啊！哎呦，上2个礼拜才跟你买20块驻点，23 ringgit per kg. Wow. 1 week plus is like 20 ringgit 40 cents. 什么东西贵，老板？没办法。老板，对，来，给回去啊。OK， 82块8。Getting more and more expensive. One chicken average about 40 something. Buang. This is the ngaku, yeah, the one we eat during Chinese New Year. Arrowroot, yeah, arrowroot. So this is the gai choy for you to make the choy go or chai bui. They also sell some traditional roast pork and also char siu. Song Yi Tou here. Wow, tilapia. Nice. We got some live tilapia here. Nowadays, the fish in the restaurant is so expensive that luckily in KL we eat a lot of tilapia, so still very affordable. Okay, these are the leeks. Chinese literally also means cow. A lot of very good veggies today. Okay, this is the yao mak, is it? This is the tang o. Wow, this shop got some really nice raw pork. Recognize this one? Yeah! Come on, baby! You can definitely buy the roast pork bone here to make some broth, very flavorful broth. Come on! Yeah! The young ginger, lime, tomato, green chili, red chili. Oh, this okra is really nice. You should really try. Very fatty and nice. Crispy also. This is the top Thai lok min for KL Hokkien Mee. This is the soft bean curd that you actually use to wrap the wu xiang lou qian, yeah, 5-spice meat roll. I would say this is probably the salted one. So the salted ones, you have to use a cloth to gently wipe away the salt. If you ever come to the traditional wet market, make sure you buy some red shallot and also garlic from them. Theirs is always the cheapest and also the nicest. Looks really good. This is tong choy, very good for you to make soup. Just add a little bit of it, wash it, and add a little bit to in making your soup base. It will make your soup, gives you some umami taste. They're selling a lot of things for prayers also. These are candles, not sausage, yeah? Oh, the prayer stuff every year gets more and more sophisticated. All this is for tonight's midnight, where everyone was going to buy Tian Gong. These are the different sizes of Nian Gao. Okay, so that sums up my today's morning marketing video. If you want to look at more of my wet market videos, you can search for grocery shopping playlist. Apparently a lot of people told Appa that they haven't been to the traditional wet market for a long time. My own wife never come to this place, I think her whole life. So a traditional wet market is actually a very interesting place. Every time you come in, there's a very different kind of heights that gives you the energy that you want to shop. And you will really enjoy it. And nowadays they are very advanced. Almost all of them accept Touch and Go e-wallet. So very convenient, yeah, very convenient, and it is not as messy as many years back. Okay, so happy Chinese New Year to you all. Everyone, please stay safe and always observe SOP. Okay, bye bye.